As many videos suggest, you can open the Start menu and search for optional features, then open the setting called Turn Windows Features On or Off. From there, you can check the box for .NET Framework 3.5, includes .NET 2.0, and click OK to begin the installation. However, on my Windows 11 25H2 system, this method didn't work. It always got stuck in the middle and eventually showed an error. So here's how to actually install it. First, you need a Windows 11 ISO. If you don't have one, download it from the official Microsoft website. Scroll down until you find Download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Click Confirm, then choose your language, and click Confirm again. After that, click on the 64-bit download button to begin the download. After downloading, right-click the ISO file and select Mount. Once it's mounted, note the drive letter assigned to it. In my example, it's E. Next, open the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This is important. Now copy the command I've placed in the video description. Replace the drive letter in the command with your actual mounted drive letter, then press Enter. This method forces the system to copy the necessary files directly from the Windows 11 disk, which is why it works even when the regular method fails. Once it finishes, you'll see a message saying, "The operation completed successfully." It will then ask if you want to restart your computer. Type Y to restart. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.